Hello and welcome back to another video, Magic, and today we are back with another video, another Spark video. Guys, honestly, after looking around, listen, and I scour a lot of crypto projects, high quality to make videos in and personally invest in, and I really struggle to find my standards, projects to meet my standards, and it's all Spark's fault. Spark has actually increased my standards in crypto projects. That's making me hard to find other projects to invest in. But nevertheless, today we're going to talk about Spark and only Spark with the latest update. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think I wanted to make this video, and it's about time to kind of make a very focused video, and it's also an update video because there's been a huge drop in the price of Spark, and I personally, okay, this is non-financial advice, this is just something I'm going to do, you don't need to do. I'm going to be actually buying up more about this. The reason why, first of all, the people behind Spark, guys, it's just, they sound like they know what they're talking about. And, this has been the latest update. Obviously, there's talking about, they have to kind of reply to why is this a huge drop off, as in, from that price of $1, almost 20 price floor support level, and all the way down we are like on a downward staircase. So we still haven't really found our staircase, right? Haven't found our new support level, but he came up with a very amazing reply. First of all, he's telling us the news, right? Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a price, people just leaving an XYZ. No. We're talking about the biggest whale has left the actual, he sold his bags, and the biggest whale, followed by his little dolphins, right? Now this could be actually his friends, his investment circle, or it's just his other smaller wallets. As everyone knows, you can have multiple wallets, so you can actually buy more bags, because obviously there's some contracts have a maximum capacity in their contracts programmed in, hard coded. So yeah, this is actually quite exciting news, ladies and gentlemen. He talks about it again. I'm not going to read all through this, and he reinforced, the guy who posted this, AJ, he reinforced the fact that Spark is something special. There's going to be no change of vision, no change of direction. They're going to carry on doing what they're doing, and they know that what they're doing is something special. They talked about, the bridge, they're retesting it and testing it, which obviously is going to be huge. Guys, I think I'm going to make a separate video up until the Spark bridge is live, and this separate video is going to be, the best way to bridge or to buy Pulsechain, okay? Binance has not listed it yet. Obviously, it's because it's still quite new, it's under half a year still, Pulsechain. I think it's under half a year, or just at half a year. But I'm super excited when Binance lists Pulsechain on, because I use Binance as my centralized exchange. But stuff like that. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna make that video. So again, if you want to tune into that, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel for more. Again, guys, listen, I'll be quite honest with you guys, okay? As I've always been, but I'm gonna just clarify and reiterate that I am a Pulsechain maxi. I genuinely feel like Pulsechain as a whole network is very undervalued. We are in the growth phase, okay? We're past the hype phase, hence why the huge price drop in the launch. People are underwhelmed, XYZ. Stuff like this takes time, okay? So there's some people in the crypto scene that just they're destined to not become rich. They're just too short-minded, okay? That short-term gratification, man, it is killing them. It's a poison, okay? It's TikTok, guys. It's honestly one of the reasons it is TikTok, okay? It's making our minds goldfish, okay, I've invested in this for a week. Why did I not 20x? Why did I not 50x? Why did I not 100x? Let me sell now. Let me dip out. Let me look at a new project. Stuff like this doesn't happen. Have you seen how many years, it took a whole, years for Ethereum to reach where it is today? It's crazy. Anyways, I don't need to tell you guys this. This is probably for another video. But today, I just want to let you guys know that this price drop, okay, this is something you guys need to know. It's not because people are selling. It's because one of the biggest whales are literally out. This is good. And there's nothing that is going to change about, the people behind it. They're going to carry on working out the bridge. Do you know how exciting the bridge is, guys? This will be the best solution to Pulsechain. This is going to literally be the highlight of Pulsechain. SparkSwap is trying to do something different, okay? It's going to take over PulseX. It's going to take over a lot of things, guys. Literally, this is beautiful. And this will actually help and feed into the sparkler, which is my next point into this, because I want to make this video kind of a whole, focus on sparkler as a whole, right? And this is what I'm gonna do, and I think this is gonna be my plan. I'm gonna actually, because I'm gonna kind of, you can call it DCA, right? But I'm gonna actually buy in more of sparkler. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do kind of a 60-40 split. 60% of my new spark I'm gonna put in the sparkler, and in that 40% I'm just gonna be holding it. Just be holding it. All right, till this shit, excuse my swearing, till this market cap, ladies and gentlemen, mark my words. Okay, not financial advice, obviously. I'm just saying, mark my words. Just for fun. Mark my words. In GTA 5, that till that number reaches 20, 40, 50 million market cap. Okay, that's why I'm holding that 40% of my new investment. Okay, that 60% sparkler, ladies and gentlemen, sparkler. Yeah, this is the secret sauce. Bridge will literally play into sparkler. The fees. Guys, this is crazy. And the next biggest thing that he said that I personally didn't know is, because I need to really I still got things to learn. Okay, I know. I've seen this guy commented on my latest video. Thank you, Jimmy Neutron. Yeah, I know. I need to research. I'm just kidding, by the way. I actually do need to research more before making this video. I'm learning, but most importantly, my main aim to make a video is to kind of get it as soon as possible, get it with the latest updates as soon as possible, and just the main thing is to get more eyes on this project, because that's kind of what I do. I do a review, and you guys do the rest. And let me know again if I do anything, if I get something wrong. Just let me know in the comments. That's fine. Like but the final reminder is that soon in the future, Spark will become deflationary. When he ended that message with that, I was like, what? I didn't even know the message could get any better. And he said that. So I'm super, super excited. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, I'm looking at the time. I don't really think I want to be reading too much. But I'm just going to read a little bit about Sparklet, because this is the focus of the video. Sparklet is a locked RY contract where users determine the length of time, so they can determine the length of time. And by the way, that 6% that I'm going to hold, I'm going to probably leave it for that 3,650 days. Yes, I'm going to do that for 10 years. Yeah, I'm going to do that, because if you're locking, you might as well go all the way in. Bro, come on. Go big or go home. You're in the wrong project if you're put in 365 or 50 days, 90 days. Oh, I got to play safe. I mean, you do you. What am I talking about? I'm not a financial advisor. Anyways, sparking, staking their yields, Spark/PLS tokens, which is amazing, which are generated from the real yield. This is none of this is not a I'm stealing someone else's money that he just deposited. No. This is true yield, guys. Yields are generated from protocol fees and INC rewards earned from rehypothecation of farms. I love this. I literally love this. This is good. Anyways, Sparkle stakes can be locked anywhere between 1 day to 10 years, where when users lock their Spark up for a long period of time, they receive bigger bonus on their principal XYZ. And then here, let's just go for each day staked in the Sparkler contract. The bonus on principal increases by 0.1% XYZ, up to a total bonus of 100% for a maximum of 10-year stake. The yield earned from Sparkler is able to be harvested at any time while the principal remains locked in the duration of that stake. Every time a user interacts with a Sparkler contract, deposits or harvests, it triggers the contract to distribute the accrued rewards amongst all the participants. According to the share, there are no deposit or withdrawal fees associated with the Sparkle contract. Sparkle locked in the contract will remain there until the length of the stake is over. When a user's stake ends, the Spark will no longer earn liquidity pool tokens and will require the Spark to absolutely, that makes sense. The Sparkle contract puts the buying pressure on the Spark token, which is healthy for the ecosystem, as it automatically purchases Spark and PLS to form the Sparks SPS. Yep, we know that. That's amazing. It feeds into the liquidity. That's the best case scenario, right? Sparkle bounty program. Oh, I didn't know about this. Like extra rewards? Yes, I do. We have a Sparkle bounty program. This is not only is great. This not only is great because you can earn extra rewards, but also because for every claimed bounty, you're actually helping to increase the APR inside of Sparkler. This happens as it lowers the total number of shares in the contract. When a user's time lock stake expires and they have not claimed their rewards, 1% of their pending rewards will be in the bounty will be up for the bounty available for any other user to collect. Okay, that's all right. That's what they meant. That makes sense. Which I like, by the way. That means even if offline or just dead wallets, people have forgotten them XYZ. Hey, the contract will literally, it's like a sweeping mechanism. I like it. I really like it. It's a cleaning mechanism. You know what I mean? Simply, not like Bitcoin, for example. There's literally wallets that have not been active for literally years and years and years. And yeah, they're worth millions, probably tens of millions if I remember. And they're just like, guys, it's literally just lost wallets. Unfortunately, just money just laying there, lost. Nobody will ever be able to harvest them ever again, unfortunately. Maybe until quantum computing comes in. Ugh. Anyways, which is scary, by the way. When quantum computing it becomes available to the cybersecurity thing. Hey, let's get back to the video. Simply click the claim button, and you'll receive the bounty once you complete the transaction. If there's an available bounty, you'll see it at the bottom of your Sparkler page. Ooh, that is exciting to see that. Okay. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the video there. Okay. Listen, you want to subscribe to this channel for more Pulsechain and SparkSwap updates. Okay. I really hope you enjoyed this. Again, don't fall for this small, dip. Ladies and gentlemen, it's crazy. This is already a successful launch. It is successful. Okay. The vision behind the team, I love it. And I'm going to be sticking around. This is one of the highlights of my investment portfolio, not just in Pulsechain, in my whole crypto portfolio. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super happy to be reporting this. Okay, the team in Pulse SparkSwap could not have been better. They're the right people to be running such project like this. I'm happy to be here at this time, and if you're here at this time, guys, ladies and gentlemen, just before the bull run, you're doing something right. Okay, by just watching this video, you're doing something right. Okay, I think there's going to be a bull run coming very soon, within the next year. Hey, I can say what I think. Okay, can you agree? Do you agree with me? Let me know. Give me a DM in Telegram. Let me know if any other projects you want me to cover. Give me a comment on YouTube. All right. What, do you agree with me? Did I miss something? You want to let me know what you think of SparkSwap? Where's the price gonna go to in the next few months, in the next year? I want to hear your thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the video there. Subscribe to my channel. I actually hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to make a 2,000 subscriber video very soon. Because I love this milestone. What is the next milestone? I don't know. I'm trying to be the biggest Pulsechain YouTuber out there, and hey, maybe one day I'll be the biggest crypto YouTuber out there. I don't know. I got a long ways to go. Hey, I'm gonna do this in an honest way. I'm not rushing to be the biggest YouTuber, best YouTuber. All I want to be is the most honest YouTuber, most educational YouTuber. That's what I strive to be. I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Yes, I did get a chair. Okay, I know. Why am I not sitting on it? And I have my desk right there. I'm actually returning this chair. This is why I'm ending the video quick, because I need to disassemble that chair, put it back in the box, and return it. I got my chair coming up tomorrow because this one was not comfortable. Anyways, guys, don't cheap out on your chair. That's the moral lesson and the lesson of this whole video, right? Forget about SparkSwap. Don't cheap out on your chair, because that's going to be the thing that you're going to be sitting on, where you're going to be investing, where you're going to be deciding, okay, I'm going to put some money into this. Life-changing events are going to happen on your chair. You're going to make sure you're comfortable. Anyways, guys, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.